Brother, welcome back to another video. So this time we are learning how to display a table in Streamlit using database and SQLite 3. So let's get into it. So first of all, I will open my VS Code in here. So I will link my files in the description, and so let me explain this to you guys why I have imported this file. So basically there is a function in this file that can help me execute SQL code in Python. So let's import stuff. So let's import Streamlit. Done. Let's import matplotlib. Done. Let's import helper.sql. Done. Let's import only helper. Done. So let's add a title, st.title, and say display graph. And let's make a variable called db, and write get connector. Get connector is basically our function that I have made in our both of the file helper.sql and helper, and add your location for the database file. So I have written my address to my database. So this basically is the name of where is it. It is stored in localhost, name, root password, root at 123, and table name. So let's add a new variable called df and write SQL pod and write your query. Let's run it. So I forgot to write db. So that is it for today, guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Till then.